So, why choose ACR Master Locksmith? Are you locked out? Need a car key replacement? If you need a lock change or locks rekeyed, ACR Master Locksmith is here to help you when you have a home, business, or car security issue. We're a full-service mobile locksmith. Whether you need just a few keys or a new high-security deadbolt installed, we have you covered. There's no such thing as a $15 or $25 locksmith. So don't be fooled by online scammers. Our locksmiths are licensed, bonded, and insured. We provide automotive, commercial, and residential locksmith services. If you have an issue with your lock or keys, don't wait any longer. Call today. ACR Locksmith.